Welcome back to the Mushroom Network. Join us on the Mushroom Minute as we delve into the enchanting world of the Bay Bolete, scientifically known as Imleria Badia. Let's get into it. A forager's choice due to its delicious tasting gourmet mushrooms, the Bay Bolete is cherished in many European cuisines. Its rich flavor and pleasant texture truly make this a favorite among many. Distinguished by its bay brown cap and mesh-like pattern on the stem, this fungi is often a forager's delight during the months of September to October. But you may get lucky enough to find them in great numbers during a warmer winter. Unlike some other boletes, this species doesn't turn blue when bruised, making it relatively easy to identify. And there you have it, 3 amazing facts about the Bay Bolete mushroom. Discover a world of gourmet and rare fungi at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Embark on your mycological adventures with us today. Or why not take one of our free or paid online courses only found at the Mushroom Academy.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.